Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I hope y'all are having a great day. Like I said, I was going to do a wrap up of all these that I've already done, and we'll talk about them just a little bit. So here they are in order of price. So we got the Caselman, $8.97. Some of these have different things in Amazon. You can do a 10% off, whatever. Some of them, and you can buy these from other places, but these are Amazon prices. Harbor Freight, $9.99 from Harbor Freight. It's a U.S. General. That's what it is. Work Pro, no, I'm sorry, those are out of order. The Work Pro, $9.99. The Ulsa, $14.87. The Aries, $14.92. The Ernst, $20.16. And then there's the Vim over here for $30.45. It is the Cadillac. Down here you got the Pinto. Or what's a cheap car today? The Fiesta, Ford Fiesta. I don't know, ain't none of it cheap no more. So the one that holds the most is the Ernst. Then it's the Aries. And then, the Caselman. Says the Caselman holds more. I don't understand that. I don't think it does. I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. That's what it said on Amazon. That might be wrong. Let me do a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 3 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay. Okay, so this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah. So the Harbor Freight and the Ulsa are both 36, and then the Work Pro holds a little bit more at 39, and the Vim holds 38. So there we go. That's what they'll hold. Which ones do I like the most? It's the Vim, the Ernst, and the Aries. If I had to choose my number one, it'd be my Ernst. It'd be the Ernst. I think it holds the best out of all of them as far as the bits. It holds the most out of all of them. The magnets on the back, I wish I had one more. That would make it a little more secure for me on my box, but that's okay. Plus, this is can be part of a bigger setup. The Aries, it doesn't have magnets. That's what holds it back for me. I may glue some magnets on this just to use it. I don't know, it's cordon. And of course the Vim, I like it. I'll use it. It's just the bits with the shoulders are a little unsecure. A little too unsecure for my taste. But as we seen, I couldn't make them fall out when I was hanging up. I only made them fall out when I beat the heck out of them. No, I made them fall out without that, but still. These four over here, I can't recommend them at all. I mean, I guess they'd be okay in your box just like this, but other than that, I can't recommend them at all, okay? If you don't mind, go back in the other videos and I'll explain each of these in detail. But that's, that's it. These, 3 of these, I'm gonna send back to Amazon. I don't do that. I don't send tools back. These I'm unhappy with completely. I would have done something with these, but I can't. It ain't right. So here's what I'm doing. This video, I need you to comment on this video, tell me which one your favorite. And you need to be subscribed. If you're subscribed and you comment on this video, you're going to be entered in for a prize. And that prize is you get to choose one of these 3. You can't choose one of these 3 because I'm sending these 3 back. But you can choose one of these 3. All you got to do is comment on the video. I am going to pick the winner a week from Friday. I'm going to, from, today. Okay. I will pick them next Friday and we'll figure out which one you won and send it out to you. Thank y'all for everything. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you don't mind, go ahead and click that like button. Share this with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe. You got to subscribe to be entered in this giveaway, right? Thank y'all for everything. Y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.